Aloo ka halwa in 3 easy steps. Crossover. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Knife or a chopper. Some small size potatoes or aloo. Now peel the potatoes like there is no skin left in the potatoes. And I will guide you through the recipe, so please stay tuned and support the video, and please watch it till the end for the recipe. Potatoes thoroughly. Now take a grater. I got a cheese grater over here. I find it very easy to grate in it. And you can take any grater you want and grate the potatoes like shown in the video. The potatoes should be finely grated so that there is no lumps like left behind, and if there is any, then you can remove it like after grating all the potatoes. Now potatoes are finely grated. Next step, the washing. Comes with use of a strainer like this. Here we got our washed and finely grated potatoes, as you can see. And sterilize for aromatic flavors. Kadhai, and heat it and then add some ghee on it. Garam masala. Add the potatoes. Now saute the potatoes in a medium heat flame and do it very slowly. Now add some sugar on it and now keep sauteing it very gently. The sugar will get caramelized along with the potatoes. In the pan add some milk and keep stirring it. Let it get boiled and keep stirring. Clean the sides of it so that there is no milk stuck on the sides, and keep stirring it frequently. I like milk powder, that's why I use some extra milk powder in it. It gives an extra good taste. Now take some almonds and chop them, or you can slice them up according to your wish, or any ways you want to give it to the halwa. Chop them up or you can slice them up, it's up to you. I have used both, I have kept two kinds of curds, for a later garnish use and for now into the, this one is for the halwa in the pan and this one is for the garnish. Add the almonds into the kadhai, into the halwa. Keep stirring it accordingly in the video. You can see it's getting thick enough. The sugar and the milk, they are all indulged in the potatoes and it's getting into a thick form. Keep stirring it like this. As you can see, the halwa is getting all set. It's getting totally thick enough. The milk is no more liquidy, and it's got into the aloo very finely. Our 3-step easy halwa is almost ready to get served, and you can just do it like this until it gets fully thick enough, and almost it will get thick, as you can see in the video. Our 3-step easy halwa is ready. You can see the almonds, you can see that sweet thing. Now I've added some extra ghee on top of it so that it gives a good aroma, and some milk powder also. It gives a good look. It looks good actually with some almonds as well, which I have kept for decoration. Easy halwa is ready to eat and you can chill it and serve. Watching the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and support us for more videos like this and unique recipes. Thank you.